Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can change your name in Amazon account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Amazon application on your Android device, then get logged in into your account. Here at the home page of Amazon, you can see the profile icon on bottom of your screen. You tap on it. Now here you will see the profile icon on top right side of your screen, just below of the search icon. You tap on it. This will direct you to the profile of your Amazon. Here you can see the option of edit your profile. You tap on it. There on very first you can see your public name. Now you tap on it and go in for erasing the current name and provide a new name for your Amazon account, where your public name will be visible on your public profile page and elsewhere on Amazon. Now after you are done providing your name, you just need to scroll very end. There you can see the option of save. You tap on it. And with that, your new name will be updated. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can change your name in Amazon. Thank you.